What if I told you that students in the northern region of Ghana are now building tractors with their own hands, not imported, not assembled, but built from scratch?
This is an intelligent solar food drive. This system uses sunlight to dry food. We have seen that in our communities where people farm, they often tend to post-harvest losses and all that due to improper ways of drying the food. So with this system, they can pre-dry the food before it goes back.
And when President John Dramani Mahama saw them, he was marveled and amazed. So welcome to Tamale in Ghana's northern region, where innovation is not just taught but created.
Come to the stand of the Dabokpa Technical Institute. This is the project made by the group of students from the Dabokpa Technical Institute. And then this is the electronics one. We have the electronics and then the engine one.
And all this magic happens at the Dabokpa Technical School, where students are doing what many countries are dreaming about. And in this video, we break it all down. Don't forget to start your hair vending business. Contact raw natural hair, factory price from Big G Hair all the way from Vietnam. Get it and start your business at very affordable prices. You can be your own boss.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
So in Dabokpa Technical School, all the way in the northern region of Ghana, students are manufacturing mini tractors, tricycles, locally known as pragya, and even incubators. Now look closely. This is not theory. This is real engineering, welding, assembling, testing, all of them done by students, both boys and girls.
Come to the stand of the Dabokpa Technical Institute. This is the project made by the group of students from the Dabokpa Technical Institute. And then this is the electronics one. We have the electronics and then the engine one. This one, the riding is very smooth. No ecosystem disturbance. It does not have any harms to the environment. And then it's very affordable too. We have our conventional, but there we use the very thick materials for the whole thing. And it's also movable to its working and it's effective. You can try it for you to see.
Excuse. Please excuse. You can see it's now moving.
And no noise, no ecosystem,
no smoking. It's now moving flexible.
Mama mata. Come on, that way, Timon.
You know that this is the whole system that controls it. And this is the solar that charges the batteries are here.
Oh, okay.
In this one.
In a country where agriculture drives the economy, a locally built tractor could change everything, and this is happening right in Ghana.
So, Tamale Kaula, so this is the Dabokpa Technical Institute, and the Dabokpa Technical Institute is one of my #1 rated technical schools in the whole of Ghana. And the reason why I would rate this school #1 is I personally feel like they are doing a lot, because the students at the Dabokpa Technical Institute, if they talk about practical, the students are well equipped, well trained as well. These are some ladies I actually met yesterday who were being taught how to operate the tractors and harvesters as well. The Dabokpa Technical Institute is one of the campuses that actually uses the students to build the campus, and this is a great initiative. The pavement you see on the ground were done by the students, and I can boldly hit my chest and say the time they were even doing it, I happened to come around. Yes, the Dabokpa Technical Institute is even greater than some technical universities and some universities, because like I was saying, a school without practical it's not a school at all. Because at the end and in the long run, when you are done with this school, basically you already have a job. You can do something with the little knowledge you have.
So think about it. In future, when these guys are able to make more of these tractors, that will mean cheaper tractors. That will mean cheaper tractors for farmers, and even more farmers can work efficiently. So locally built tricycles also means affordable transport and more jobs. And this is not just a school project. In fact, this is a solution to unemployment, transportation, and agricultural challenges in Ghana.
Technical education or technical school. Oh, many of us think that, technical school is for the dropout. No, it's not for the dropout. In fact, currently, technical institution is for those who are very knowledgeable, because you are coming here to do two things. You are coming here to learn, and you are coming here to also acquire technical skills. So can you compare yourself to somebody who only reads and go and write without learning anything technical? Can you compare yourself? No. So you are rather, or technical institution is for those who are very good. Number two, also, some of you have an impression that, when I complete, I will not get jobs. Let me tell you, you are coming here to acquire two things. And all the time I say it, apart from coming to acquire knowledge, you are acquiring technical skills. And technical skills is to do. Knowledge is to know. And so knowledge alone cannot even guarantee you a job. You need to do to get a job. And that is, and the most important thing is that you have found yourself in technical school, and the technical school is teaching you to do. Number three is that, when I come to technical institution, when I come out, I may not live a decent life. For instance, I can't get money, I can't get what I. Please, today, almost all the jobs, almost all the money now goes to a technical person. I'll tell you this. When you build your house, or when you are going to build your house, a plumber will come, let me say a mason will come, charge you, take his money. Carpenter will come, charge you, take his money. A painter will come, charge you, takes his money. So any other person who now makes money, it goes to a technical person. Please, are you getting me? Yes. Good. So please, that kind of wrong notion should be disabused. You should forget of that wrong notion. In fact, today I'm going to tell you, technical school is the best school now in Ghana, because one, there are no jobs outside. It will take your masters, it will take some of us to tell you that wherever you have found yourself now, especially in the technical school, is the best place to be, because you will learn, come out, set up jobs, or get ready employment, as compared to somebody who has not learned a technical skill. So for you, the future is very bright. It takes some of us to tell you that your stay in technical school is the most important thing and is the best decision to take. So don't compare yourself to somebody who is just reading. You are reading as well as learn how to do. Please, are you getting me?
What these students are doing is exactly what Ghana needs right now. Here's the truth. Innovations like this need support. It needs funding, equipment, and even industry partners. Without that, that talent could be wasted.
Now, students of Dabokpa Technical Institute have called for support to enable the school establish a manufacturing hub. Over the years, the school have been able to manufacture tricycles and other innovative products, but due to lack of resources, the innovations are left to rot.
School has been able to manufacture several products including tricycles, electronic bikes, among others.
And so we are at the automotive department where they manufacture cars. In fact, they are not just assembling, but they manufacture cars here. And if you check around, you see a lot of the students are in their uniforms and they are busy working. As you can see right behind me, that is the truck, a mini truck that the students are making themselves.
Because we don't have machines,
Okay.
you know, all these things that you are to do, you start with, you get a machine.
Yes.
But because we don't have machines, so we started something on our own. So that's this is a bead roller. This is a bead roller machine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that we manufactured ourselves.
Okay.
So that's what is helping us to do the manufacturing, and then the design.
Okay.
All the design that we want on the machine. So this is what we use. So we design it ourselves, and then so that's what we use to do this.
Okay, so it helps you in making the designs on your car.
Designs,
Okay.
yes, yeah. It was manufactured here,
Okay.
and because we don't have materials, we find it difficult at times to get some designs or something like that. But we put it on upon ourselves. We got a lot of machines on our own before we're able to do something like that.
As you can see, some of the tricycles are here. It can take about 6 people, including the driver. It has a side seat and the back seat. It's just like the normal tricycle that we've been seeing all the way from China and India. This school, the Dabokpa Technical Institute, they are able to manufacture those cars, and it is well and functioning here. The only thing that is left is for them to be able to chain it out for customers to buy. There are several others of it. And all these things are put together by the students themselves.
Yeah, being in this department is very interesting. Of course, we are trying to develop the world so that when we will be able to build all these amazing machines, so that there's no need for any exportation. There's no need.
No need for government to go out to import cars.
Yes.
Okay.
So ours is just build more of it and then we export, so that we can also export from Ghana. So that's why our students, will also be able to make our own tricycle. This one is made by the students.
Oh, so this small machine that you're
yes,
it's made by the students?
Yes.
Wow. And how would you encourage your colleagues outside, especially people who are having the mentality that if you go to a vocational school, they are the lazy people who go to vocational schools. The people who are unable to pass well is the people that go to vocational school. What's your word to them?
Yeah, my word to them is like, if the society people, like, they can be able to create something like a group so that they can be able to come and visit those who are having the mind. When they visit, I think it will change their mind.
Despite widespread perception that some women are not adventurous, some female students of the institute think it is high time ladies venture into automotive and other related areas.
I wanted to become a motor vehicle engineer because if you see in Ghana, it's almost the automobile engineering companies, it's only the guys who are there, and I want to compete with them. That's why I chose to do the course, and I'm enjoying it.
So is it hard for you as a lady?
It's not hard if only you concentrate.
So what would be your word to the other girls outside who are thinking that automotive industry is just for the boys alone?
I will encourage them to come to automotive engineering because it's a very nice course, and sometimes as a lady doing it, you get more advantage than the guys because people see you as a lady. One, you are a lady and you are doing a course of a man, so you get more opportunity than the boys.
Mostly measurement and then all those things. We are all doing it here. And here, I can even take the team and then do. So it's normal to me.
This is a proof that Africa doesn't lack talent. In fact, Africa lacks investment in its own people. Imagine what these students could achieve with the right support. Ghana wouldn't just import machines, Ghana would rather export machines. So the big question is, will we support them or will we just let the brilliance fade away? If you believe in this African project, then hit like, share the video, subscribe, and let the world see what is happening in the northern region. Let me know what you think. Have you also recently chanced on students performing or making some amazing machines? Leave it in the comments section. In the next video, we'll give it a highlight. It's a wrap for today.